With the UK variant, and it's now showing up across the United States, is that something we need to worry about?
Yeah, so it turns out that the vaccine makers are indicating that their vaccines actually more than likely cover that variant. And number two, there was a lot of confusion about what more infectious meant versus what does it really do. And it turns out that while it may be more infectious, it is not more virulent. In other words, it doesn't make people sicker than the original strain. It just may be easier to pass through the population. So that has two effects. One is it may infect more people more quickly, but it also may move the population to herd immunity more quickly because most people who get the virus have minimal or no symptoms.
And now what we've noticed over the past 3 days, infections are up, they're stabilizing but up, but hospitalizations are actually dropping a little bit. So maybe this variant is already in our community and this is exactly what's happening.
I would be surprised if it wasn't, and what's interesting is that there were two very prominent molecular biologists and physicians, I guess, that came out and said that within a year or two, the COVID-19 virus will be no different than the common cold because we will have achieved some level of herd immunity and people will just not be getting as sick anymore.